And welcome to Beautiful Foods TV. The playlist is Wisdom Nugget from Plant from our Food for Longevity series. So today's nugget is Nettle Leaf Tea. So I'm going to go through a few benefits and side effects. Then we'll make a cup of the tea just to have a taste and see what it tastes like. So the first benefit is that the Nettle Leaf Tea, they are rich in nutrients. They are packed with vitamins A, C, K, and several B vitamins. It's quite high in iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and antioxidants. It supports detoxification. It gently stimulates the lymphatic system and supports liver and kidneys in flushing out toxins. Then it has anti-inflammatory compound in it that reduces inflammation and joint pain, so we can use this to manage things like gout, allergies, and arthritis. It's also a natural antihistamine, so we can reach out to this tea during hay fever seasons because it's known to ease seasonal allergies, hay fever symptoms by stabilizing mast cells and reducing histamine release. Then this can also support urinary health, so we can use this as in traditional medicine to reduce water retention, cleanse the urinary tract, and support prostate health in men, especially tea made from the roots. The leaf is particularly good as an antihistamine because it's good to prevent hay fever and get rid of allergies. And in traditional medicine, in folk medicine, the root is used for prostate, so it's good for hormone balance, so it can help regulate menstrual flow, ease PMS, and support postpartum recovery due to its iron and mineral content. It's also very good as an energy and blood building tonic. People use it to recover from fatigue, anemia, thanks to the high level of iron and chlorophyll in it. So this tea is a powerful one, packed with iron, packed with vitamins, and I really recommend the Nettle Tea, especially during summer in the UK where a lot of us can have hay fever issues. So we can reach out to a cup of this per day and help us to relieve such symptoms without having to take medication. So to me, remedies from herbs are used to prevent rather than cure, because I always say it, if you are really ill, consult your medical doctor. That's the fastest way to get better. But it's best not to be ill. It's best to just maintain a healthy lifestyle. So use remedies like this, herbal teas, to promote and help your organs to function well. Then let's quickly go through the drawbacks of nettle tea leaf. It may act as a diuretic, so it increases the urine output. It can lead to dehydration or electrolyte imbalance if consumed excessively. So moderation is advised when you're having this kind of tea that helps you urine more. Then it has possible allergy reaction. This is rare, but some people can get rash, stomach upset, or itching by taking this. When handling the fresh leaves itself, it can interact with medication, so things like diuretics, blood pressure medication, blood thinners, diabetes medication. Always consult your doctor before embarking on any herbal tea remedy. Finally, it's not recommended for those who are pregnant or those who are breastfeeding, because like all herbal teas, there's not enough research about the safety of the babies. So stay away from herbal teas unless you have consulted your doctor or your herbal practitioner and they've recommended it for you. So now let's prepare this tea. I've had my kettle on for a little while. So how do we prepare this tea? I've got the tea bag. If you have the tea leaves, the dry tea leaves, then you can use the decoction or use a tea infusion kettle to do it. But I've just got the tea bag, which is easy to prepare. So drop that into your cup and then add in hot water and leave it to brew for about 3 to 5 minutes. This is very, very quick. You can see it's already brewing. So we can get the color of the water already changing. So I'll wait for about a minute or two and then I'll give it a taste so we can see, how the taste is. So I'm going to give it a stir. We can leave the tea bag in but I prefer to take mine out. And this tea bag can be used at least one more time because it's still quite rich in the nettle leaf. So let's give it a taste. What can I say? It's not, it's herbal tea. That's what it is. It's not sweet or delicious. I wish I could tell you that, but it's not. So it's just like, you can smell it as well. It has not a bad smell, but it's got a smell to it. You can feel the flower kind of finish. So it's not bad at all. You don't have a bitter aftertaste with this one. You have like the flowery kind of finish, like a fruity, flowery kind of finish once you've had it. So it's quite good, and I recommend it as well because it's not about the taste of herbal tea, it's about the powerful nutrients that they have. And rather than just eating all sort of food, this can be slotting for your snack. So when you feel a bit pecky, you want something to eat, why don't you just reach out for a herbal tea? Make a list of the ones you like. There's so many out there, but select the ones. The favorite one for everybody is the green tea. So the green tea is safe for everyone. Have a green tea a day, or if you have anything specifically that you want to address in your body system, then reach out for the one that is addressing that. Nestle is good when you have hay fever, go for this. The roots is good if you have issues with urine as a man, prostrate and all of that, reach out for nettle as well. And I hope to see you again in the next video. If you love this playlist on Longevity Food series, please share with your family and friends. Let them also enjoy the good benefits, the powerful content, the powerful benefits from all the herbs that is out there from nature that has been given to us by God to help us live a healthy life. We are not supposed to be ill. We are not supposed to be sick. It's because of the environment, the food we are eating. And if we can have the holistic method of looking after ourselves, then we will be having healthy, long life. So if you love this cereal, please hit the subscribe button, share, like, comment, and let me know about your own favorite herbal tea. See you next time. Until then, keep on keeping healthy. Goodbye.